got home from taking the boys clothes shopping, and this was in a UPS box for me, and I was like, oh, it's like I hope they didn't send me a second box of what they sent me before, you know, maybe thinking that they forgot they had sent me one. But I am a VELCRO ambassador, and so I thought I would do this unboxing with you. It is not exactly the same, although they are using some of the same things. So if you saw my video in the past about the 50-year anniversary of the moon landing and VELCRO's VELCRO's connection to that, this is something different. So let's see what they sent me. Let's see, and again, I'm just sharing what they sent me. I'm an ambassador. I'm doing a video, honey, for them. I did read the card, but I haven't looked all through the box yet. So they say, thank you for all that you do as an educator. It warms our heart to know how much you love our products. So to help you launch back into the new school year, we put together this kit, including the very same products featured in our latest Walking on the Moon Again music video. There's a link to watch it, so if you can see that, you can copy that link and look. Thanks again for teaching our future explorers, and enjoy the goodies. Best, Julia. On behalf of the VELCRO brand digital team, and there's a PS. If you're looking for additional out-of-this-world classroom activities, head over to our social channels or share your own VELCRO brand classroom ideas using our hashtag launch back into school. Okay, so let's see what they sent me. Okay, pencils. Number 2 pencils. There we go. They sent me more VELCRO. Nice. This is one of my favorite tools, VELCRO. I've used it on a number of things, so maybe I'll do a video sometime showing the different things, how I've used that in my home and schooling. Highlighters. This is cute. Word strips. Now I may not use those since my kids are older, but maybe I'll give those away. Let's see. What's under here? Now, I did not... Ooh, let's see what this is. I'm only one-handed since I'm holding the camera. I got some cute spotted VELCRO. Oh, here's another highlighter. Okay, so I did not look past the gold. So you're going to see it first time with me. Let's see. What's under the gold? Okay, so I think, so let's see. So this is the band, the souvenir to celebrate the 50th anniversary of the moon landing. Okay, so I did get one of those before, so I can give one away, it looks like, or maybe one of my kids will want it. Some gum, Starburst. It's cute to go with the theme. I had those in the last pack too, and I think I had most of these also. This looks like a really interesting product. This will be, look at that. I'll have to think of how I can use that. More VELCRO, and it is, check this out, how clever to VELCRO it to the box. So keep that in mind whenever you're doing a gift box for somebody. If you just VELCRO your items to the box, you can keep it in order while you're shipping it. Okay, it's a great idea. I'm not sure I ever would have thought about that. Alright guys, thanks for watching this unboxing with me. If you use VELCRO, brand VELCRO, for anything special, maybe out of the box, I'd like to hear how you use it. So leave me a comment, okay? Thanks.